This is our playroom before installation. Okay, here are the boxes. That's inside the boxes. We got 5 boxes. We're starting at this corner. There are 2 types of edge pieces. So now we need to get a knife and do the edges. So we're gonna do this piece. Just set up a cutting station outside of the house.